Guys,
Log out.
We're currently doing iReady, and it's gonna be iReady reading, guys. We clicked on it. Now click this. Yes.
Choose a widget to learn more about the word.
When you see this,
you can touch it to hear the word in Spanish. This word is unite. Say unite out loud.
Unite!
When people unite, they come together to do something. Tap Plory, Snark, or me to see how we unite to save the cat. You helped Plory, Snark, and me unite to save the cat.
When people unite, they come together to do something. Come together is a synonym of unite. They mean almost the same thing.
The Spanish word for unite is unirse.
Unirse. Did you know that word? Unirse. Unirse.
You must unite with others to do each of these activities. Which activity would you enjoy most?
Definitely.
It might be fun to unite with those humans to do that activity.
Wouldn't that be fun? Tell me in the comments below. You have to know.
This word is tradition. Say tradition out loud.
Tradition.
A tradition is something special that people do year after year. Slide the arrow to help Plory, Snarg, and me enjoy an American tradition. Thanks! 4th of July fireworks are our favorite American tradition.
A tradition is something special that people do year after year. Way and custom are synonyms of tradition. These words mean almost the same thing.
The Spanish word for tradition is tradición.
The Spanish word for tradition is tradición.
Which tradition do you enjoy the most?
Look how smart I am. Oh, Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving because it has a lot of apple pie, a lot of pumpkin pie, and so on. I'll tell you more if I click on it.
Yes! Humans have the best traditions.
You know why I like it? I'm going to say this for hours. I don't know why, but I like the tradition because there's apple pie, pumpkin pie, and there's some fruit salad. Sometimes we have yogurt, yeah. Even some corn. Even we have... last time we had on our Thanksgiving, we got some chicken nuggets. It was so fun, and we didn't have fries. But yeah, let's keep on going.
This word is understand. Say understand out loud.
I understand what you're talking about. I don't even need some problem.
When you understand something, you know what it means or how it works. Plory does not understand how to eat spaghetti. Tap the bowl to see if I can help.
I don't understand how he doesn't understand to eat spaghetti.
I helped Plory understand how to eat spaghetti. Yum!
Eat.
When you understand something, you know what it means or how it works. Know is a synonym of understand. These words mean almost the same thing.
I don't understand how to use these things. Which one would you be good at explaining?
Definitely a phone. What else?
Oh, I wish you could help me understand that one.
But if you weren't fake, I would. Dad. $100% great.
This word is celebrate. Say celebrate out loud.
Celebrato.
When you celebrate an important event, you do something special. Slide the arrow to see how Plory and I celebrate important events in 4 different months.
Goes like February, January.
You help
That
us
was
celebrate 4 American holidays.
When you celebrate an important event, you do something special. Honor is a synonym of celebrate. These words mean almost the same thing.
Everyone, it's story joke problem. Now, time to go on the next slide. Ring-a-ding-a-ding problem. If there are 5 birds sitting on a fence and 2 fly away, how many are left? The kid said none. The teacher said no. The answer is 3. But the kid said, but when the gun went bang, the other birds fly away. The other birds would fly away too. Why is that funny? Because the teacher was thinking about math, but when the kid was thinking about real life, and the teacher was smarter. Time to go back to reading mode. Yeah. The Spanish word for celebrate.
The Spanish word for celebrate is celebrar.
These are some ways to celebrate a birthday. Which one do you like best? Me too! I can't wait to celebrate my birthday.
This word is public. Say public out loud.
Most of my videos are public, but some of them are private.
Something that is public is for everyone to use. It is too easy for humans to spot Yoop and me in this public park. Drag the secret agent clothes to us so you can help us hide. You helped Yoop and me hide from humans in the public park. Something that is public is for everyone to use. For everyone is a synonym of public.
Or to
They
see.
mean almost the same thing.
Or public can mean for everyone to see. Like you can see most of my videos, but not all of them, because some of them are private. Like the one that's 41 minutes. But my ready was literally 1 hour, so that takes way longer. And it's public.
Which public place is closest to your home?
Is this a church? Oh, that's a school. I would just say... Wait, there's a hospital that's close to my home, so this.
What's a good public place to have near your house?
This word is crowd. Say crowd out loud.
Crowd.
A crowd is a large group of people. Tap Snark to see how he feels about being in a crowd of pugs. Snark likes being in a crowd of pugs.
Pugs.
A crowd is a large group of people.
Not bugs, but
Large
pugs.
group is a synonym of crowd. They mean almost the same thing.
Which crowd would you like to be part of? Good choice. I'd like to join that crowd right now.
You be right away. Bye, everyone. See you on the next video.